Barnyard Boggers. Fire extinguishers! Get the mud out! Get the mud!
Get it! That's methanol! Get out of there, Harold! Now! Down low! Hey, okay, brother. Get the fuck out of there! Methanol show! You alright? Get it.
Alright?
Yeah. I got eyelashes left?
Yeah, no, you have none.
Did you get that?
You know any of your back of your hair or nothing?
I'm alright.
Alright.
I'm alright.
Sure?
Yeah, I'm good.
93 feet. Yo, set this up.
I got no eyelashes.
The back of his hair either. He has nothing in the back of his hair.
You gotta go big.
I think you pulled it from that end.
Hey, you gonna put that on TV tonight?
That'll
That
be out.
better be.
I better be in there fucking jumping, man. It's
You
out.
alright, babe?
It's out, isn't it?
Yeah, hold on to it.
Yeah, the pins hold up.
It's out. We're done.
He thinks he's on fire, Ricky does.
Fuck you, boy. You got out of there quick.
Fucking out, I got out quick
You
too.
did get money this time. It was your turn this time anyway. Yeah.
After all that incident, did they get us footage?
We still got the tape.
Yeah, but
Is it down at that end?
did you get his footage? Straighten that tape out a little bit.
He got 190. He got 93 feet.
Oh, wait.
He wasn't really sure. Didn't I call it 3 before I see the
Okay, man. Yeah, we're
Hold on.
Oh, well, where'd you pull the tape? That one from that end?
We pulled it back. I probably set it on the boat. I called it.
God, I'm shaking. Can't even keep the camera still.
Valves off. Valves off. Turn right off.
Gotcha. Kick, I lost my hat somewhere. I had my hat on when all this took place. I have no clue.
You're neutral?
I need another player to get hold up! Good hustle! Yeah, they grabbed the pins out. I think somebody grabbed it. I hope so. I'm riding in my boxers, I ain't riding in the back. That was methanol gas, man. I wasn't allowed to have it blow up in front of everybody. I knew that shit was gonna blow up when I went in the mud before I fucking blew up with it.